Hi everybody, I am going to discuss nested for loop in Python programming. What is nested for loop? When we write one for loop within another for loop, that is known as nested for loop. There are innermost loop and there is a outermost loop. Outermost loop control the execution of the innermost loop. So this is the concept of nested. Nested means one within another. Let us consider the concept of nested for loop in Python. For I in range 1 to 10, suppose 1 to 10, then we write another for loop that is for j in range 1 comma I plus 1, then what happens, and print suppose j, and this is the end of the statement. Suppose print by. This means here there is a outer loop. This is known as outer loop, and this is inner loop. Outer loop control the execution of inner loop. When the condition is true, then it will execute it again and again within the inner loop. When the inner loop false, then it goes to outer loop. Again enter the innermost loop, then up to the condition when the I is true, then it execute again and again. Let us consider the concept in detail. Initially I is 1, so I is initially 1, here I is 1, and here I is j is I is 1. Now range is, that is 10. In range up to 10, it will display up to 10. If it is true, this is the outer loop. If it is true, then it goes to j equal to is 1, and range is that is I plus 1, and print j. Now j is initially 1. Now j is incremented first and executed again and again. When the condition is false, then it goes to the I equal to I plus 1, and control goes to the range part, that is range part. When this one is false, then it goes to print by. This means when range is, suppose initially I is 1, the range is 1 equal to 10, no, enter j. This is the innermost loop. It will enter the loop. This is a loop and this is another loop. Loop within a loop is known as, that is the loop within a loop is known as nested loop. Here I is initially 1 and range is, that is 1 equal to 10, no, enter the j equal to 1, print it is j equal to 1 and I is 1. As I is 1, now I plus 2, that is range is 2. Range is 2, no, range is 1 here, so not equal to true, enter the print zone, that is print j, that is 1, and j goes to 2 equal to 2. Then when the condition is false, then I is now 2. Then again 2 equal to 10, enter the j but 1. Now I is 2 and j is now 1, start with 1, and I plus 2 means up to, it will enter up to the 3 value, that is j equal to 1 and 1 equal to 3, no, it will print 1, and j is 2 equal to 3, no, it will print 2, and then j is now 3, false. Now I is 3. Now 3 equal to 10, no, it will enter again 1, and this one I is 3 plus 1 is 4, meaning it will print 1, then it will print 2, then it will print 3. In this way it will print 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and when it is range is 10, that is I is 10 equal to 10, it will exit from the outer loop. The outer loop control the operation of inner loop. When the outer loop falls, then it will never enter the inner loop. Inner loop executed again and again, and when inner loop falls, then it goes control goes to outer loop. But when the outer loop is false, it will terminate the inner loop. So this is the concept of nested loop. Here, if you want to display some space in between number, then we can use print j comma end equal to space. This means end equal to double quote within a double quote space. Mean it will display 1, then the space, then the next number. And if you want to display the new line, then there is a print, just a print double quote. This means it will display the next line. So this is the concept of nested for loop. Nested for loop execute within another loop. Nested for loop mean one loop within another loop, the outer loop and the inner loop. Is the concept of nested for loop in Python. Let us consider an example of nested for loop to display the pattern. Like suppose I want to display 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 4 3 and 4. Suppose I want to display this pattern like 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 4 3 4. Let us consider the concept. First of all, we have to take the range of value. That is here range is n. N is the number of row you want to display, the how many row you in the pattern. Now n equal to int input, n int input, enter the limit, n int input, enter the limit. Now for loop 4 3 2 1. So initialization of I start with the 4 3 2 1. That is I in range. The outer loop range start with 1 and end with n plus 1. These are in outer loop. And j in range, we want to display the j. So j 4 3 2 1, then 4 3 2. So j is initialized to n. N is the number of row, that is suppose 4, then 4, it start from 4, then it will display 4 to 0, that is equal to 4 to I minus 1. Suppose I is 1, then it will display up to 1, and it will display when the condition is 0, that is decremented operation, that is equal to minus 1. Now print j comma end equal to space, and there is a space in between those numbers. Now this is the new line, print just double within double quote, no need to write anything, and this is the out of the loop. Let us consider the execution of the program step by step. Initially I is in range 1 to n plus 1. Suppose n is 4, then I is initially 1, and range is that is 5, and j is start with the n value of n is 4, and condition is range I minus 1, then I equal to I minus 1, decremented to, then it will execute the step again after printing the value of j. This is j, print j equal to end double quote, and it goes to range condition. When the condition is false, then I is incremented to I plus plus, and it goes to the range again. So there is a nested loop, and when the condition is false, then it will goes to out of the execution. There is no out statement here. So consider the situation. Suppose I equal to 1, so 1 is not equal to 5, 1 not equal to 5. Execute the innermost loop, j is 4, that is I is 1, 1 minus 1 means 0, 4 not equal to 0, 4 not equal to 0, then decremented to, and then first of all print the value. Here first of all printing the value is required. Here first of all print the value of j is required, j equal to j comma end equal to space, j comma end equal to double quote is the space between variables, then is decremented. This is the statement according to this program. Now j is 4. Now print j is 4. Then there is a space, and j is decremented to 3. Range I is here. I is 1. So 1 minus 1 0. 4 not equal to 0. Then it will print 3. Then again 3 is decremented to 2 not equal to 0. It will print 2. Now 1 not equal to 0. It will print 1. Now 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 equal to 0. Then I is now 2. Now control goes to the outer loop. That is I now 2. 2 equal to 5? No. Then again it will enter the, when it is true, that is true. 5 not equal to true. Then it enter again. Now j start with 4 again. Now I is 2. 2 minus 1, it will display up to 1. Up to 1 mean up to, when the condition is 2 here. 2 minus 1 mean up to 1. That is j is 4. 4 mean here 4 is not equal to 2. Then you will print 4. Then decrement to 3. 3 not equal to 2. Equal to 3 print. Now decrement 2. 2 not equal to 1. 2 not equal to 1. That is it will print 2. And 1 not equal to 0. Then terminate the innermost loop, and I goes to 3. Now I is 3. 3 equal to 5. 3 equal not equal to 5. Enter. 3 not equal to 5. Enter. So j is 4 now. 3 minus 2 mean it will display up to 2. Up to 3 minus 2 mean up to, when the condition is 2, when the range is 2, then it will terminate, mean up to 1. Mean the range is 4, that is I is now 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Mean 4 equal to 3. No, it will print 4. Now it is 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 actually. 3 minus 2 equal to, now 3 equal to 3 equal to 2. No, it will print 3. Now 2 equal to 2. Exit from the outer innermost loop. Then I is now 4. Now 4 equal to 5. No, 4 not equal to 5. That is true. Now j is 4 and it is 3. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And you will print up to 4. When it meets 3, then it terminates from the innermost loop. Now j is 4 and I is 3. Now print j, means that's 4. Now I is equal to 3. 3 equal to 3, then false the condition. Now I is now 5. 5 equal to 5 and out of the loop. So in this way we can print the pattern like this. So this is the concept of nested for loop in Python programming. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share the video channel and subscribe the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.